Ditch the hundreds of moving parts, the explosions, the noise. An electric car swaps that complexity for a giant battery, an electric motor, and a controller. When you press the accelerator, you get instant, silent power. No lag, just pure, smooth acceleration. That's the first thing you notice. But how does it happen? It starts with the traction battery pack, a massive slab of lithium-ion cells storing direct current, or DC power. Think of it as the fuel tank. But the motor needs a different kind of electricity, alternating current, or AC. That's the job of the inverter, the car's brain. It grabs DC power from the battery, flips it into AC, and feeds it to the electric motor. This motor is remarkably simple. It converts that electrical energy into mechanical force, turning the wheels. No pistons, no crankshafts, just quiet, efficient rotation. Here's where it gets even smarter. When you lift your foot off the accelerator or hit the brakes, the process reverses. This is regenerative braking. The motor flips its role and becomes a generator. The car's own forward motion spins the motor, creating electricity that flows back through the inverter to recharge the battery. Instead of wasting energy as heat like traditional brakes, you're recapturing it, extending your range with every slowdown. This elegant system is evolving at an incredible pace. We're on the cusp of solid-state batteries that could charge in minutes, not hours. And with battery costs dropping, we're nearing the point where an EV costs the same to own as a gasoline car without subsidies. It's more than just a change in fuel. It's a fundamental reinvention of the automobile, turning a complex mechanical beast into a refined, efficient, and surprisingly simple piece of technology.